Good afternoon, everyone. This is Valerie Juarez, a Senior HR Consultant and Innovation Manager with Inspiring HR, welcoming you back to Ask Inspiring HR. Today's question is quite simply, what does it mean to be an exempt employee? Well, the term exempt employee actually refers to whether or not the provisions of the Fair Labor Standards Act apply to you. And the Fair Labor Standards Act, for those of you that don't know, was passed by Congress in 1938. That's the act that regulates everything from overtime, minimum wage, child labor, record keeping, etc. So when you hear the term exempt, you're actually hearing the implication that that job's job duties and compensation together make it exempt from the law. So if you've ever heard about your manager working 45 or 50 hours a week and not qualifying for overtime, that's because the implication is that their work and their pay is enough to pass the exemption test. So overtime rules don't apply to them. Now, the more complicated issue is whether or not you're classifying your employees properly. It's not just any job duty, and it's not just any compensation that makes you exempt. There are specific combinations and there's specific types of exemptions that you can apply for or that you can classify your employees under. Now, a heads up for employers here in the United States, most of you should already know this, but if you don't, the Department of Labor has a new proposed rules to raise the threshold on salaries for that exemption test. Now, this was attempted once in 2016. It got held up in court. It has been re-reviewed. It's been reduced, and it's coming again. We may see this change actually go through in late 2019 or early 2020. We don't know. The Department of Labor hasn't given us an effective date or whether or not they are moving forward. So keep an eye out for that. And if you're not sure if you've classified your employees properly, contact your HR department or seek HR consultation for assistance. Failing to classify people properly could mean that you owe back wages and have fines from the Department of Labor. So it's something you want to get right. Thanks for joining us at Ask Inspiring HR. We hope to see you again next time.